welcome to the Jayda InStitches show, and welcome to a crochet quick tip. If you've got a pile of granny squares lying around and you want to join them together, but you don't remember what hook you used to make them, here's a quick way to decide which is the best hook to use for joining. Grab some of your regular hooks, the ones you use most frequently, pick up your granny square, and then slowly insert one of your stitches or one of your hooks through a stitch. Try a few of them. Insert the hook through the stitch, maybe try different stitches along the top, and then do them all over again. This one felt tight, so I know it's not that one. This one feels a little tight too. I have a feeling it's one of these two. Well, that one feels pretty good. And this one feels pretty good too. So what do? Well, one is a size 4mm or 4.5mm and one is a 5mm. So there's a 0.5 millimeter difference between these two hooks, which means that it doesn't really matter which one I use to join my squares together. But what I do want to do is work a few stitches with both of them to decide if I need to go up because my stitches are too tight, so I want to use a bigger hook, or if I want to come down because my stitches are a little too loose. And that is a really quick way to figure out which the best hook might be to join your granny squares together if you don't remember the hook you used to make them in the first place. We hope you enjoyed that little quick fix, and we'll see you again soon here on the Jayda InStitches show. Until then, stay safe, stay crafty, and have a great week. Bye everyone!